How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how you can get the best deal that you can get for NordVPN. So if you're looking for the best price, this is what you're going to get. If you go to the website, this is the deal that you'll be getting usually, which is $379 for the standard, and you'll be getting 3 extra months for free. So you'll be saving 54%. But let's just assume that you're going for the plus package right here. You'll still get your 3 extra months and still the same for the complete version. Now, if you want an even better deal, this is where you can click the link in the description down below and you'll come across this page right here, which will tell you, as seen on YouTube, get the 4 extra months. So this will basically give you an even better deal on all of the available packages. I think most people will go for either the basic or standard, unless you're looking for a dedicated IP. So that's going to be it as far as how you can claim the best deal available. As far as NordVPN, I mean, if you're not sure about it, I would say it's the best well-rounded VPN that offers a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price. As you can tell right here, most VPNs will charge you much more than that while giving you much less in terms of features. So if you're looking for a VPN that is very reasonably priced, it overall has super high performance and security, backed up by independent audit reports as far as privacy and, preserving the privacy of the users. So it's a very good VPN, very safe. And again, you're getting all the necessary security features that you would expect from a premium VPN, such as the kill switch and split tunneling, and a bunch of bonuses. For more info, though, you can check the review below if you'd like to learn a little bit more about it, as far as the privacy policy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And if you don't feel like watching a review and you're just wondering if it does the job, yes, whether you're streaming, torrenting, or you're just securing your device, and you can secure up to 6 devices, 6 simultaneous connections per account. So that is it for this video. Again, you'll find the review and the discount code down below in the description. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.